guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta, and as you can see, I don't have anything on my face, and that's because, as the title says, I'm going to show you guys how I shave my face. Before I get started, I want to invite those of you that are new to my channel to please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and also share it if it was helpful. So I use this little thing right here. First I saw it on one of the commercials. I wanted to call and buy it so bad. Oh my god. I want to see. Okay. It was just watermelon. Anyways, I wanted to call so bad to buy it. I don't know why I never did, but then I went to Target and I saw it there on the section, the As Seen on TV section. For $20, it is so worth every penny because I'll tell you why I don't like using the little, it's like a little thing some people use to shave their face. I don't know what they're called, but I don't like using that. I did try it a few times, but I don't like it because I would use it more for the top of my eyebrows. But then it would leave it so red. I would get a lot of little bumps. I mean, obviously it is, well, I don't know if it's obvious, but I always have it red and I have very tiny bumps. But doing that would get it a lot worse. But this, I fell in love with it. It just works so good. I don't know exactly like how it works still, but you can't get cut with this. Like, I can go like this as much as I want and it doesn't do anything. The way you turn it on is you just go up. Do you hear that? And it has a little light, which is so convenient. It works so good. It just helps you get the tiny hairs you don't see. And it does get every hair, the smallest hair you have. I'm gonna get real close for you guys so you guys can see the little hairs I get on my upper lip, on my forehead, on the sides, close to my eyes. I just use it by going in circular motions. With this, I don't get any bumps. It doesn't dry my face, or I don't get any redness. So first I'm gonna do one side of my upper lip. So here you can see the difference. It doesn't take long at all. You just go over the hairs in circular motions a few times and that's it. I don't remember if I said this in a Spanish video or an English video, but it's very important to shave your face to apply the makeup so it can look very nice. It looks very smooth. It feels very smooth. It makes a huge difference. I didn't know this in the beginning. I had like it was about a year that I was uploading videos and I did not know that. I didn't know it was so necessary or that it makes a big difference, but it does. So you know now to shave your face so your makeup, your foundation can look flawless. I don't know if I should show you guys this, but I found this out yesterday. It was because I was going to film this video yesterday, but I turned it on and it didn't turn on, so I didn't know what kind of battery it uses, so I opened it right here. But you can see all the hair in here, and I cleaned it out yesterday and all of this came out, which is pretty gross, but yeah. My camera's about to die, but I quickly want to give a shout out to Martha Harris, Danny Santana, and Melissa G. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications by clicking on the bell next to the subscribe button and let me know in the comments below that you want a shout out. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe if you liked this video and also share it if you liked it, and let me know in the comments that you are new and I will give you a shout out in my next video. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!